Narayana, Narayana. Namaskar. I'm Narad. You're Narad, oh friends. I'm going to tell you a story today of our very dearest Bappa. I mean Ganpati Bappa. This is a story of his new appearance. Yes. Many years back, a saint named Kashyap stayed on the bank of a river. The environment of his hermitage was very pleasing and calm and quiet. Kashyap was a very kind-hearted person. He always helped the people in need and griefs too. He had two wives, Diti and Aditi. Diti gave birth to demons. Demons means giants, monsters. And Aditi gave birth to all the gods. There only stayed a Brahmin named Raudraketu. He had twin children. One was Narantak and the second Devantak. They spent their life with great religiousness. When Narantak and Devantak pleased God Shiva Shankar, Lord Shankar pleasingly said to them, "Dear devotees, I am pleased by your worship. Ask whatever you want to ask from me, you may ask."
O Lord Shiv Shankar, please grant such a boon to us both, because of which neither the gods nor the monsters will be able to take our lives.
And thus with no strength or weapon, during day or night, the death will not come to us, and our rule will be all over.
Tathastu, dears. Literally, Lord Shankar came and booned them. Therefore, Narantak and Devantak became very powerful and well equipped within no time. Narantak started ruling on the earth and Devantak on the heaven. They both started harassing the gods and the humans. In this destroyal, Diti's son helped Narantak and Devantak. The human life on the earth and the gods in heaven had become unsafe. Therefore, Mother Aditi told Kashyap,
O Lord, the sons of Raudraketu, Narantak and Devantak have created terror by ruling the earth and the heaven, and you are well aware of this. Therefore, the lives of my sons and mine have become difficult. For my sons, is there any solution against the cruel torture of Diti's sons?
Aditi, Narantak and Devantak have been booned by Lord Shiv Shankar that neither the gods nor the monsters can kill them. You worship Lord Ganpati. Only he can save you and me from this difficulty.
Mata Aditi penance day and night tirelessly for Sri Ganesh. Sri Ganesh was pleased at this, and he appeared in his godly form in front of her.
Aditi, I am pleased on you because of your hard penance. Ask. Whatever you want, maybe ask.
Oh Ganesh, I can't see you because of your divine glow. I wish to see you in your original form. And therefore, I request you to incarnate in my womb as my son.
As you wish.
After that, Sri Ganesh came and sat in the mother Aditi's womb in the form of a very, very sweet child. Now her son was the incarnation of Lord Ganesh, and Aditi was overjoyed for the same.
He's so sweet, isn't he?
What a
Oh,
sweet
how sweet he
boy.
looks. He's
So
very cute. Aditi, your son is named as Mahotkat.
Marvelous. Mahotkat. What a sweet name.
Sri Ganesh had taken birth in Kashyap's hermitage and in the womb of Aditi. Hearing this, those who had come to see him, Vasishtha, Vamadev, and all the sages had become stunned seeing the child form of Sri Ganesh.
Due to divine form of this extraordinary child, we all are stunned. This very child will be our savior.
Narayana, Narayana. Lord Ganesh, meaning Mahotkat, took birth in the hermitage of sage Kashyap this side, and there the condition of Narantak and Devantak became very different.
Go right now and call a good fortune teller.
As you say, my lord. But my lord, there is a difficulty. No, there is one difficulty. Good fortune teller means what?
Hey, good fortune teller means he who tells us only good fortune, that fortune teller.
No. Good fortune teller means one who will tell me the truth. Such fortune teller, even if it is bad.
Okay. Now I have understood.
And as it is, I'm never going to die, and therefore my future can never be bad. Come, please come, oh fortune teller.
What can I do for you, Your Majesty?
I am really worried for last few days that something inauspicious is going to happen to me. The nature is angry on the earth at present. Heavy rainfall, the rumbling of the lightning, and the rolling of the clouds. My queen too was ill some days back. And so I always feel that something inauspicious is going to take place. Fortune teller, please tell me why is this happening?
My lord, I had an idea from the beginning that this will happen. But there is a time to expose such a thing. And now that time is come. That's what I feel.
Then what is going to happen in my life?
My lord, listening to whatever I will say, you might get angry to Your Majesty. But what is predestined in your fate is what I am going to tell you now.
Yes. Okay. Please tell me whatever is written.
The boy who has taken birth in the womb of goddess Aditi is going to be the cause for the destroyal of you two brothers.
Hey, fortune teller. Probably you are not aware of the fact that we have been blessed by Shiva Shankar himself. We will not die under any circumstances.
My lord, whatever is predestined in your fate have been told to you by me. Whether that's going to be true or not will be explained to you by the time itself, my lord.
What fortune are you telling me, oh fortune teller? That feastful tiny child? He will take our lives? Okay. If I don't destroy him before he grows, I won't tell my name as Narantak.